good morning, wonderful, beautiful people. Hi, how are you doing? Well, I'm Samantha, and I am an independent beauty consultant for Mary Kay. And this morning, I just thought I would share you my facial regime. Okay, good morning, bless you. How are you? Yeah, so this morning, I just want to share Mary Kay Naturally, which is a product Mary Kay has produced for those who like natural products. It's about 99% natural. So I am just going to share that with you this morning. I'm hoping that you're having a beautiful morning and your family as well. Amen. So I'm going to start and I'm just going to show you what it looks like. A set. It comes in a set of 4. Cleanser, exfoliating powder, nourishing oil, and a moisturizing stick. Okay, 4 in a set. Now I usually use Time-Wise Repair because I'm one of the big girls. But often I also mix it up with different range. Hi Paula, how are you? Thank you for joining in. So as I said, I'm going to do my cleanser regime using Mary Kay Naturally. But I always use a brush while I'm doing cleansing my face because it cleans it 4 times better than I'm using my hands. Could you imagine cleaning your teeth with your fingers? What residue would it leave? Good morning, Yvonne. How are you? Nice to see you on there. So what I'm going to do is, here's the brush. It comes like this. You put the brush head on. Okay. Now what I'm going to do first with the cleanser, I'm going to put a bit on my face. I'm just going to dab it north, south, east and west, and maybe one nose as well. Wet it. I've got a bowl here. Put on my brush, which goes on for about 60 seconds. Good morning, Francis. Thank you for joining me this morning. I'm just sharing my Mary Kay Naturally Cleanser. Oh, something different than what I normally use, but I use this probably once a week in a mix of my Time-Wise Repair. But what I'm going to do, oh yeah. So what it does is 60 seconds, you just go around your face, and what it does, it helps to remove all the dirt more effectively. Oh yes. Okay. Don't forget your nose, and you can even do all your neck. Wonderful sensation. Helps to bring all the blood to your skin, making it look nice and plump. All right. Oh, you have a brush as well. Yes, you do. So now that's finished, what I'm going to do is take one of cloths and I'm just going to wipe my face off. It's a lovely brush. And I don't know, Francis, if you've had to charge your brush since you've had it, because I haven't had to do mine. Anyway, what I'm going to do, follow on with the exfoliating powder. I'm going to take a little bit. I've got another one here which is open. Put a little bit in my hand. Take a little bit of oil, about two to 3 drops. I don't know if you can see. Take some water and I'm going to mix it in my hand. What I'm going to do is put this on my face to help exfoliate the dead skins off. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to do it. And I'm just doing circular motions. Ooh. You love using it. Yeah, it's so easy to use. And for those people who have who say they've got sensitive skin or delicate skin. This one has not, it's much more gentler. So I also use microdermabrasion, but I don't use that for people who have, you know, lots of blemishes. But this one is the go-to to use instead of it. Doesn't take long. Oh, wonderful. And it helps to lift, you know, those dead skins and brighten up your face. Right, done that. I'm going to wash that off as well. So how are you doing this morning, everybody? Okay. Now, what I'm doing, as I'm sharing this to you, I'm offering to send sample packs to those who are interested, and also give you a live demonstration, a virtual party, online or a face-to-face, so you can actually experience this, not just me showing you this. So if you go in my link, there's a form there, you fill it up, and I'll be glad to send you out a pack. Now, this is the nourishing oil, as I said, and what I'm going to do after I finish that, my face feels nice. I need to just wash it off a little bit more. Just a little bit more, just around the sides. Okay. Now, I'm a person that I like things quick and easy. I don't like things that's going to take me too long. So this is very beautiful. So I'm going to get some oil. Now, a lot of people think, oh, I can't put oil on my face. My face is oily. But I can assure you, this oil is not going to give you any spots at all. None. Oh, me too. Okay, Yvonne. And what I do also, when I feel like it, the same brush that I have, take off the head, and I've got a massage bit that goes on it. Clip it, and if I want to, and I've got time, I can also use that. Which can I use not only on your face, you can use it down your neck, down your shoulders. So this is absolutely brilliant. So this brush had a dual function. And what I was offering to somebody the other day, that if they bought a brush, a skincare invigorating brush set, I will give the massage head free. So if you want that, you can just contact me and I will do that, and do that. So there's the oil on my face, and my face feels soft and it's not heavy. And also this oil that I've got here, I can tell you this, whether you've got a wig or extensions on, or your natural hair, you can also put it in your hair. So I tend to do that. Oh, you need a mess? All right, Francis, I'll get one to you, okay? I'll get one to you. So you just do that, and you can put the oil in your scalp, you see, and massage it in as well. You just need a little bit. And it makes your hair nice and shine. Yeah, and that's what you do. Yeah? So, anybody got any questions? Well, If you don't have any questions right now, you can always DM me. Have a look at my link in my bio, and you can see more information. But I would love to send you all out samples. And if it's not the MK Natural you want and you wanted one of our other sets, feel free. So whether it's the Miracle 3D set, the Time Wide Repair, even the men's range what we've got, the Botanicals or the Clear Proof. Any one of those sets, I'll be glad to send it to you and do a virtual party to show you how to use it so you can experience the Mary Kay experience. So what I will say is thank you for joining me this morning. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to hear from you. Okay, bye for now.